Top 5 Christmas Gifts for Your Brother. Brothers are a weird bunch. They can be protective, silly, caring, and even sometimes poke fun at you. They'll be serious one moment, and fun-loving the next. Regardless, they're really just there to take care of you when you need them. Christmas gifts for your brother. For that, you should show your appreciation for him this Christmas with gifts he's sure to love. If your brother likes going to the gym, then a new gym bag may be in order for him this Christmas. Some gym bags can get old, and if he stores his post-workout clothes in them, they can get a bit smelly. Get him something easily cleanable and sturdy, so that he'll be able to hold onto it for years to come. You'll want to get something compact that has enough storage for all the things he might need while he's at the gym. Some brothers are very proud of their cars. If so, then they definitely want to keep them as nice as possible, both inside and out. You can get your brother a car cleaning supply kit full of stuff that he can use on his interior to keep it clean and his exterior to keep it shiny. With specialized sprays, waxes, and wipes, his car is sure to stay looking its best. For the brother who's in college or has a lot of friends that he hangs out with, a good party game can be a great gift for him. There are tons of adult board and card games that will give him and his friends hours of laughs and fun. These games tend to be pretty inexpensive, but are still wildly popular among younger guys and their friends. If your brother is an avid runner, chances are he's probably been worried before about running when it starts to get dark. Running in the dark is nice because it's cooler outside and there are fewer people, but you also want to be visible to cars or people on bikes. Get your brother some attachable lights for his running shoes that will greatly increase his safety on his late-night runs. Another great option if your brother is a bit more outdoorsy is a wallet-sized multi-tool. These compact tools are small enough to fit into the credit card slot of a wallet, but can come with tons of tools built into it, such as a knife, can opener, screwdriver, bottle opener, and more. Thanks so much for watching and make it a great day. And don't forget to download your free report. Remember, the link is in the description.